Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things beautiful and stylish for your home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about a backyard wooden privacy fence, we are referring to a vertical structure specifically designed to create a solid visual barrier between your private property and the outside world. Unlike chain link or picket fences that allow people to see through, a privacy fence is typically built with closely spaced or overlapping wooden boards, usually reaching heights of 6 to 8 feet. It acts as an extension of your home's walls, defining your outdoor living boundaries while providing a sense of seclusion and security. The primary benefit of a wooden privacy fence is, of course, the immediate sense of solitude it provides, allowing you to enjoy your backyard without the feeling of being watched by neighbors or passersby. Beyond privacy, these fences serve as an excellent sound barrier, dampening the noise from nearby traffic or active neighborhoods to create a quieter atmosphere. They also provide a crucial safety layer for families, keeping children and pets securely contained within the yard while preventing stray animals or unwanted visitors from entering. Furthermore, wood is a naturally beautiful material that adds significant curb appeal and financial value to your property, offering a warm, organic look that synthetic materials simply cannot replicate. Decorating a wooden fence is all about breaking up the wall effect and adding texture. One of the most effective ways to do this is by incorporating vertical gardening. Hanging planters, wooden crates, or wrought iron hooks with cascading flowers can turn a plain fence into a living wall. You can also use outdoor lighting, such as solar-powered sconces or string lights draped along the top rail, to create a magical ambience after dark. For a more architectural feel, consider adding decorative lattice panels to the top of the fence or mounting outdoor wall art, such as metal sunbursts or waterproof mirrors, which can help reflect light and make a small yard feel much larger. Regular maintenance, like applying a rich stain or a pop of bold paint, also ensures the fence remains a focal point rather than just a background structure. Choosing the right wood is essential for longevity and aesthetics. Western red cedar is a top choice because it is naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insect attacks, and it ages into a beautiful silvery gray if left untreated. Redwood is another premium option, offering a stunning deep red hue and incredible durability, though it comes at a higher price point. For those on a budget, pressure-treated pine is the most common material. It is chemically treated to withstand the elements and can be stained to mimic more expensive woods. If you are looking for extreme durability, hardwoods like oak are incredibly dense and can last for decades, though they require more effort to install. Each material offers a different balance of cost, maintenance, and natural beauty. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best backyard wooden privacy fence ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the classic white picket and stone duo. This design features a pristine white wooden fence set atop a rustic, multi-toned stacked stone retaining wall. The combination of the clean, vertical lines of the wood and the organic texture of the stones creates a sophisticated, high-end look that perfectly frames a lush green lawn and mature trees. 2. Deep espresso modern vertical slat gate. A bold choice for contemporary homes, this fence uses wide vertical planks finished in a dark espresso stain. The matching double gate is equipped with heavy-duty black hardware and an elegant overhead archway, offering a secure yet stylish entrance that provides 100% visual privacy. 3. Golden oak full-height privacy panels. This idea focuses on maximum coverage using tall, side-by-side vertical boards in a warm golden oak finish. The continuous run of wood creates a seamless room feeling in the backyard, providing a clean and bright backdrop that makes the blue sky and green grass pop with color. 4. The natural cedar floral border. This design showcases a traditional vertical plank fence in a natural wood tone, accented by a meticulously landscaped flower bed at its base. The fence serves as the perfect canvas for climbing roses and vibrant red geraniums, proving that a privacy fence can also be a beautiful garden feature. 5. Contemporary Zen Black Architectural Fence. Perfect for a modern or Asian-inspired landscape, this fence is stained in a deep, matte black. It features a unique decorative gatehouse structure with a small roof detail, creating a dramatic and prestigious boundary that looks stunning against white concrete walkways and ornamental grasses. 6. Warm Honey Mid-Height Corner Fence. This design utilizes a lower profile with horizontal slats to create a cozy, enclosed feel without completely cutting off the view. The honey-colored wood is arranged in a wraparound style that is perfect for corner lots, providing a sturdy frame for a well-manicured front yard. 7. Multi-level redwood slatted retaining wall. This innovative idea combines a horizontal slatted fence with timber retaining walls to manage a sloped yard. The reddish-orange hues of the wood provide a striking contrast against the earthy hillside, creating functional terraced garden beds and a modern, tiered aesthetic. 8. Minimalist horizontal slat with integrated seating. In this modern setup, the wooden fence planks are laid horizontally to elongate the space. The design is elevated by an integrated floating wooden bench and built-in concrete planters, turning the fence itself into a functional piece of outdoor furniture and a relaxation nook. 9. Decorative scalloped lattice top fence. This charming design features solid lower panels for privacy, topped with an elegant wavy, scalloped lattice section. This allows for airflow and filtered light to enter the yard while maintaining a high level of seclusion, finished with a decorative garden bed full of lush greenery. 10. Luxury composite-style horizontal panels. A truly high-end look, this fence uses wide, smooth-finished horizontal planks separated by dark metal posts. The clean lines and uniform color create a sleek, architectural appearance that is often found in luxury estates, complemented by a neat border of white river stones and manicured shrubs. Building a backyard wooden privacy fence is one of the best investments you can make for your home. It transforms your outdoor space from an exposed area into a private sanctuary where you can truly relax, entertain, and enjoy nature. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of natural cedar or the sleek lines of a modern black horizontal fence, the right design will reflect your personal style and enhance your daily living. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home improvement inspiration. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips on turning your house into a dream home. Thanks for watching. you.